Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get free things in Minecraft Marketplace. Alright, let's begin. The Minecraft Marketplace lets you download skins, worlds, textures, and add-ons directly inside Minecraft Bedrock. Unlike Java Edition, you do not need external websites. When you open the Marketplace, you will notice most items cost Minecoins, which normally require real money. However, there is a way to find free content without spending anything. First, open the Marketplace and tap the search icon at the top right. Do not type anything. Instead, tap the filter icon that looks like a funnel. From here, choose pack types and select what you want, such as worlds, skins, textures, or add-ons. After selecting, go back to apply the filter. Next, tap the Sort option at the top right and choose Low to High. Scroll down and you will now see all free items listed before paid ones. Select any free item, tap the Free button, and claim it. Once claimed, go back to the main menu, download the item, and start playing. So that's basically how you can get free things in Minecraft Marketplace. That's it for this video. Thanks.